You got an update for us? Oh, look at that. Oh, marzipan.
This one.
Christmas cake, yeah.
The marzipan, that one next.
What's underneath it? What's at the bottom?
Just a plate.
Oh, yeah. Then you'll cut that off.
Cut what off?
The bottom of the plate.
No, leave the plate there.
Oh, yeah.
It's easier to when I ice it.
And what you do, you just buy the marzipan.
Yeah.
And then sort of make it into lathers and sort of...
Just roll it out.
Give it a bit.
No, because this is... You can have some if there's any left.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
That's Stephen's one.
So you put a bit of flour in it.
It's not flour, that's icing sugar.
Oh, icing sugar on there.
No, on the thingy-bob so it doesn't stick. Because
Oh,
it's
yeah.
really sticky, isn't it? Put apricot jam on the cake.
Oh, so it wasn't just a case of bung it on, no?
No, I put apricot jam all around the cake.
Yeah.
So that helps it stick on.
Oh, right.
Yeah?
So apricot jam, slather it all over.
Yeah.
Oh, this is lovely.
Oh, move your bum. Don't. Go away.
Cakes are run dry, you mean? Okay, update. Goes back in the tin. And then when will you ice it? We'll have to wait for that to set or something now.
Well, it won't fit in there.
Well, they've made them. They've made them biscuit tins smaller now, haven't they? So anyway, that's the icing done. Not the icing, marzipaning. And how thick is that?
It's not that big. Thick as pastry.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you're supposed to wait for it to if you ice it straight away, the oil from the marzipan will upset it.
All right. So you get that now.
It's just like Play-Doh, innit?
And you just mess it and play with it and bash it.
Oh, you can bash it.
To make it non-stick. Oh, Debbie, there, the wife with the rolling pin is dangerous. So just keep turning it and rolling it. Keep covering it. Oh, okay. Okay. You haven't coated it before then?
No, I have the other one.
Right. So you put the jam all over it. Yeah.
I'll take those two blobs off because it's
Tasty. That's cheating. So you've made your thing now, have you? How thickness? Right, get this. And then get that and roll it over like that. Then just generally sort of mould it around.
yeah.
Then cut the excess off and give it to Reggie, yeah?
See, I used to always do the sides first. The way I was taught. Do the sides, fold them over, do the top. But it's easier and quicker to do this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, do you have to watch me now?
Yeah.
You only want the bloody...
Marzipan, yeah. Then cut the edge off it. Oh, I can have this now, can't I? What are you doing? I'm following the plate. Do you need a bit back to repair that then? No?
There's icing going on it now.
Oh yeah. So it'll stay on the plate now then?
Yeah.
Until you open it and cook it, eat it.
Yum yum.
Yum yum. Oh, well, I'll have the bit. You can have that bit.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay. Marzipan. Lovely. To be sued, I don't want you to be sending me some email saying that where is my Christmas present? Because it's been claimed. It's gone.
Might hang it there.
The outlaws have had it.
Hang it there. Put my coat on it.
Right. So don't be claiming your Christmas present because it's gone.
Let's make him some treacle toffee, eh? So that's brown sugar, black treacle, golden syrup, all measured out, and then butter and a bit of water. So I've got to load that into there, melt it all down, get it really hot. When it's really hot, then just stick it in a baking tray. So let's keep him happy, shall we?
Look at this Merry Christmas icing. Oh, it's still a bit soft, isn't it?
What?
You have to wait for that to...
Get your fingers off! What you
No,
touch?
nothing. Yep. They're lovely now, aren't they?
Well, I cheated.
One for Stephen.
This icing is roll-on icing. I've never used it before. So I thought I'd give it a go. You just had to buy it in a pack, manipulate it a bit like plasticine, brush it on with a bit of water, and then I cut it in half and put one on each. So this will be softish icing. And then I've obviously made the Merry Christmas up in normal icing.
Yeah. Lovely.
But have you noticed it's blue, not red?
Why, what happened?
I got the wrong colouring. And I thought, well, it doesn't matter.
It's here now. Yeah, it's here now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I've just made a mistake because I've just put the whole spoon in.
Hold on. So, let's start from the beginning. Oh, look, the Christmas cakes are done.
Yeah. Oh, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's gone rock hard now.
Hold
Put it
on.
in the water.
So I said to Debbie, Jack was a tradition. Em's dad, Jack, always used to make treacle toffee at Christmas.
Try that.
It was a tradition.
I let the spoon get cold. I put the spoon in there, made a mistake. Yeah, that's crunchy, isn't it?
Yeah. Hold on. So what have you been doing?
I have to suck it now.
What have you put in there? You
Um,
have to excuse me. I'm sucking the spoon.
sugar, brown sugar. Golden.
Oh, blimey, bless you.
Golden syrup. Butter.
You put treacle syrup as well in, did you?
Your golden syrup, yeah.
The black stuff.
Yeah, treacle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to pour it on that tray now.
Okay.
Look at it. It's still popping around. It's not even on the heat.
We've got to test it, yeah. Boil it and bring it to a boil. Put it a bit more on the heat.
No, I don't want to put it on my heat.
It's boiling.
It's supposed to cool it. Stop it once it's stopped popping. I can put it straight in that. See, look at it. It tastes alright.
Yeah, I'm trying to work it off the spoon. So yeah, you didn't get a temperature gauge.
No, but it says scoop a bit out of that, put it straight into cold water. I should have let it drip, but I didn't. I put the spoon in the water.
Yeah.
So of course it went hard on the spoon.
This is gone instantly. Yeah. Ooh, hear it? Crunchy.
You'd have to suck it, I think.
No, it's crunchy. It's all that's meant to be. I mean, you don't get hard rock anymore, do you? It's all bloody soft.
Right, I don't know whether I need 1 or 2 trays. What do you think?
2. I guess thin is better. Watch you don't burn yourself now. Yeah, thin is better, I think. It will break up then. Yeah. Spread it with your spoon. Do you need to put some grease paper on the other one?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, bloody heavy that is. Do you want it?
Yeah, spread it out. That'll do.
You want it thin, dear?
It'll find its balance.
Do you want it thin, dear?
Yeah. Right, next one, before it sets. Put your grease poo paper on before it sets.
You got another one there. You can.
You hold the phone. I'll tip it in.
Okay.
Yeah, you film it. Or got another spoon to clean. Yeah, I'll do it.
No, I don't trust you.
What do you mean?
I don't trust you.
Shove it all in then. Hold on.
I'll do all the hard
that's
work and you get the glory.
So is this going to be a Christmas tradition now, making treacle toffee for Reggie?
It's quite easy, but I mean, it can't be good for you.
It's Christmas. Oh, it's going to take a lot of cleaning in it. It's going to block the drains cleaning it. Blimey.
Actually, I think maybe wipe it first with. Oh.
Okay. Or maybe put it on a cloth, you mean?
Wipe it out first.
Kitchen
If I
cloth.
put water in that, it's going to go hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll do it. I'll spread it.
Let's see if I can get any more out of there.
Yeah, it's gone. No, it'll find its own way. Yeah, it'll find its own way. I missed the icing of the Christmas cake. And the Merry Christmas. One for you, one for Stephen, don't you, every year?
Yeah.
Right. And I'll sort of spread it out. What?
Big mistake. Don't touch the jug.
Oh, you get some on your finger?
Yeah. Yeah, I think just leave it.
Yeah. It'll find its own level.
Maybe just let it drip. Hold on.
Treacle toffee. Oh yeah, leave that there. Lean that up there. So be careful because it's really hot, isn't it? And we can break that up then, can't we? What are you going to do? You're going to put it in the fridge next of you?
No, just leave it.
Yeah?
But then it says when you cut strips of this baking stuff,
Yeah.
and otherwise it'll all just stick together.
What do you mean?
When you break it up,
Oh yeah. Watch
you might
out.
have to suck that up.
Okay, shove it in the water.
Yeah, ooh, you don't have to suck in the water, do you? It's already hard.
Yeah, no.
You need to cool it down.
Yeah, hot sugar. Ooh. Yeah.
I don't know how you're supposed to.
Oh,
clean
listen. It's nice and crankly.
it. Frankly,
Crackly.
I don't know
The
how.
thing is, you buy rock, you know. Rock used to be rock hard.
I wonder how you're supposed to clean this though.
I haven't come across rock yet. The hard rock seems to have disappeared, and winter mix. It's all soft rock, isn't it? Anyway.
How are you supposed to clean this pot then?
I don't know.
Because when you put cold water, will it just go... Or does it just all crack off when it's dried?
Well, I'm trying to get it off the spoon. It'll break up, I suppose. Anyway. Debbie, treacle. First year to do treacle toffee. It's going to be a tradition now.
Yeah, I don't want to get that off the spoon and all.
Oh, honey's all right, yeah.
It's not honey. It's golden syrup.
Oh, even better, golden syrup.
I don't know. Do they have golden syrup in the in America?
They must do, mustn't they?
I don't know.
What was that other stuff in the tin?
Treacle
toffee.
I think this is quite a British thing, isn't it? Treacle toffee.
Do you think so?
Black treacle.
Don't know. Anyway,
I don't know how to clean the pot.
everything's going to be treacle flavoured.
See, if I put that, it'll just go rock hard when it was gone. I mean, I don't know.
Don't know. We'll see. We live and we learn, don't we? Maybe you should have used just a treacle pot.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What? It says use a deep saucepan because it bubbled quite high. You see how high it went out?
Yeah. All right.
It's going to be very thin. I really should have put it in a thick chunk.
No, I don't know. You can have thin chocolate and toffee. It's a toffee, isn't it? Well, it's a brittle, isn't it? It's not a toffee. It's a brittle you're making. Anyway. Thank you very much. It's nearly going hard already.
Yeah, you've got to leave it now.
Yeah, leave it and go. See if it becomes snappable. Oh, it's becoming snappable. Yeah, it's going. Yeah.
I'm just going to hope that this all comes off.
How did you manage to snap that off?
Might give you the job of going and tapping the saucepan tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hopefully that should all just come off.
No, I think it dilutes. I think it just, if you look at this spoon, it just dilutes.
It doesn't dilute.
Yeah, it's just diluting.
Well, I've left it inside.
Hot water. Lots of hot water and they just dilute.
Bloody well block me drain out.